That was amazing. And I didn't like this one in the middle. This one I really didn't like. So this food is a lot, just so you know. Surely recommend to come to this restaurant. That was amazing. It was very tasty. So kind of the worst one I've tasted, but my favorite was this. It kind of gets, the meat kind of gets like better and better, like the more upper the meat is in my position. So, and I didn't like this one in the middle. This one I really didn't like. So, one more bite. And also, this is kind of a lot of food. So, even if there were 6 people on the table, you would definitely be able to make them all full. Well, I think they'll finish the whole entire plate, but all of them will be full. That's the surprising part. So, all of this food is a lot, just so you know, but you can still buy it. And I surely recommend to come to this restaurant and check around these foods. They are very delicious. My personal favorite was definitely the orange meat, because not only do I like it in every single restaurant, it's just so, like, it's not too hard to chew. It's like, you know, like that perfect meat set. And also, I recommend just making a sandwich with this and putting your favorite type of meat inside. That's what I did. But so that's the end of the video. Bye.